Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 20 Rebus puzzles. These are fun picture and word riddles that represent common English phrases and idioms. You'll have 10 seconds to solve each one, but feel free to pause the video at any point if you need more time. These puzzles are a great way to boost your English skills, so let's jump in. The first puzzle shows the word think outside of the box, which represents thinking outside the box. This means to think creatively and come up with original ideas. In the next puzzle, there's a row of C's under the word travel. This stands for travel overseas, meaning to travel abroad to different countries. We have the word coffee split into two parts, representing coffee break. A coffee break is a short break during work, where you can enjoy coffee, snacks, and chat with colleagues. In the following puzzle, the I's are underneath the word stand, which represents the phrase, I understand. This means to sympathize or show you know where someone is coming from. Next, there's an arrow pointing to the word secret at the top, which stands for top secret. Top secret refers to information that governments or organizations want to keep hidden. Here, the letters U and R in the word trouble are a different color, representing the phrase, you are in trouble. This phrase is often used when someone has done something wrong and might face consequences. Now we see the word working above a clock, symbolizing working overtime, which means working beyond your regular hours. Here, there's a happy face inside the word hour, which stands for happy hour. A happy hour is a time when bars offer drinks at a lower price to attract customers. Next, two roads intersect to form a cross, representing crossroads. This can mean a literal crossroads or a point in life where you need to make an important decision. In the following puzzle, the word century is missing the letter C, symbolizing long time no see. This phrase, borrowed from Chinese, is used to say you haven't seen someone in a long time. Next, we have a wish placed over a star, which stands for wish upon a star, a tradition of making a wish when you see a shooting star. Then there's the number 1 inside the word million, which represents the phrase one in a million, used to describe someone very special and rare. In the next puzzle, we see a crayon, a bear, and some E's, which represents the fruit cranberry. Here, the word get appears 4 times, representing forget it. This phrase is often used to tell someone not to worry, although it can sometimes imply lingering frustration. Next, the word view is above a bird, symbolizing bird's eye view, which refers to seeing something from a high point, like from a plane or helicopter. Then we see a pair of high heels under the word head, representing head over heels, a phrase used to describe someone deeply in love. Next, we see a hand counting between the words I'm and you, which stands for I'm counting on you, meaning I'm relying on you or trusting you to do something. Then we have the word once, appearing in a blue moon, which stands for the phrase once in a blue moon. This refers to something that happens very rarely because a blue moon is a rare event. In the next puzzle, 4 straws are stacked together, and the last straw is circled, representing the last straw. This refers to the final issue that causes someone to lose patience. Finally, we see the word diet on a seesaw, symbolizing a balanced diet, which means eating a variety of foods from all the essential food groups to stay healthy. So, how many of the puzzles did you get right? Comment down below and let us know your score. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks, and see you next time.